Hello. Today we're going to talk about Surdry rotatory retorts. The rotatory retorts are used to turn the cans or other containers during sterilization and cooling. The purpose is to move the food contents in order to accelerate the heat transfer inside the can, improve the quality, and prevent any possible negative effect associated to the static heating processes. Let's get started. All Surdry static or agitating retorts work under the same steam and water spray process, born at Surdry to become a retort standard worldwide. The benefits versus other rotary retorts are significant. Less steam and water consumption. Accurate pressure control to protect flexible containers throughout the heating and cooling process. A cutting-edge design of the rotary drum to make it long-lasting with minimum maintenance cost. Design simplicity is great engineering achievement that comes from rather complex analysis to turn good ideas into reliable facts. Let's call it smart engineering, where the effort is put in the design to reduce effort in maintenance. For steam and spray to flow with minimal screening, Surdry's rotary drum is designed to maximize open area and exposure of cans, pouches, or cups to steam and water spray. Structural design is based on finite element analysis, FE, to provide a robust and long-lasting rotary drum, free from deformation and cracking. The drum seats on the drive shaft moved by a VFD-controlled motor and a gearbox sitting on the rear end of the retort. In the front, next to the retort door, the drum seats on two idle trunnions. The FEA demonstrates that the balance of loads is in perfect equilibrium to minimize the structural stresses and bending moments. The race ring is the ring on which the drum seats on the trunnions wheels in the front side, next to the retort door and opposite to where the motor drive is placed. The results of finite element analytics showed that the bending moment is dramatically reduced if the race ring is not on the front disc, but in the next one. Each basket or stack of trays is independently clamped to ensure all of them and their contents are held in place, regardless some differences between one and other. By means of air cylinders, all clamping plates go down until they touch the first layer of cans or the top tray with pouches or cups. Additional pads are required if the cans do not reach the clamping range. The air to the cylinders flows from a rotary coupling leading the air through the hollow shaft of the motor drive. The stroke OS, the clamping, is 70 mm. The trunnions are a critical part of any rotary retort, as they will spin multiple times for each spin of the drum. The selection of proper materials and hardening treatments are essential for the long duration. Hardened trunnions shafts see on bearings placed outside the housing with mechanical seals against water leakage. Not speaking about airplanes, but close. The drum is moved by a gearbox with a VFD-controlled motor. The VFD settings ensure smooth start and stop of the drum to minimize structural stress, the same with low partial or full heavy load. An infinite encoder leads the VFD motor to approach and stop the drum in the home position smoothly and accurately. This is extremely important for further unloading and reloading operation with well-aligned external conveying equipment. Surdry relies on SEW motor drives and VFD to make it happen. That's all. Thank you for joining us and trusting in Surdry.